YouTube trends, data-backed ideas to help you grow your channel in 2022. Trends are one way for marketers and creators to get attention on YouTube. By knowing what's trending on YouTube, you have a unique opportunity to reach new audiences and even go viral. But as a creator or brand, how do you decide which topics to focus on? Keep watching for some top trends on YouTube for 2022. Follower-decided content. YouTubers used to be in complete control of what they create and posted. However, shorter attention spans and a steep increase in competition means creators must be more strategically interactive with audiences to keep them engaged. Rather than coming up with their own ideas, brands and creators now use polls, live streams, and comments to find out what their viewers want. Once the results are in, they can make videos catering to their viewers' preferences. How-to videos. How-to videos help users perform a task, fix something, or figure out how something works. These videos have been popular for a long time and are often a crucial part of a YouTube SEO strategy. When you ask a question on Google, especially how-to questions, YouTube videos often rank above articles and blogs, especially for practical household repairs. Tutorial videos became even more popular during the pandemic, with people looking to learn more skills during the lockdown. How-to videos can help users learn makeup skills, cook recipes, troubleshoot software, and perform many other tasks. Because they show you how to do something, they're often easier to follow than an article. Live streaming. YouTube Live is the platform's live streaming feature that lets creators, entrepreneurs, and brands form a more authentic connection with their audiences. YouTube Live is the platform's live streaming feature that lets creators, entrepreneurs, and brands form a more authentic connection with their audiences. Live streaming is often seen as more authentic than edited videos, since the action, even for a generic Q&A, is happening in real time. Live reaction or watch-along streams of sporting events have been especially popular in recent years. Viewers see unfiltered content as a brand's true image. It opens up live communication via comments and keeps users interested for longer. Unedited conversations and live responses help users build a real connection with your brand. Current events. People relate to what is happening in the world around them. Content that revolves around current topics can boost your videos to the Explore page. But to capitalize on current trends, brands and marketers need to be agile. The best example of the power of recent events on YouTube was in March 2020, when there was a 260% increase in global views for sourdough videos. With the lockdown baking craze, US stores struggled to supply enough yeast. YouTube came to the rescue. It's also an example of how creative you can be when tackling a trend. Most cooking channels jumped on the popularity of sourdough bread on social media and started offering their own recipes. But some creators dove deeper with topics like 15 mistakes most beginner sourdough bakers make, or sourdough bread for complete beginners, sandwiches from sourdough bread, and so on. Gamers. In 2020, people watched 100 billion hours of gaming on YouTube. With gaming's entry into the mainstream, gaming content like gameplay videos, how-to tips, and montages are expected to grow in popularity. Many gaming channels use YouTube Gaming to stream their live gameplay and then upload those clips for repeat viewing. Gaming live streams last for hours and give the creators plenty of time to showcase their skills, build a rapport with fans by responding to live comments. Streaming video games is also an excellent way to attract brand deals and sponsorships. While many gamers prefer to stream on Twitch, YouTube is gaining steam, with 6.19 billion total hours watched in 2020. These are just a few of the ongoing trends we've noticed for 2022. You can create an effective content strategy for YouTube by scheduling a call with the HOTH today. And check out more of the HOTH's blogs by clicking the link below.